How's it going, guys? This is Jesse from Modern Day Tech, and today I'm doing a review on the Otterbox Statement Series case. And just make sure that you have the iPhone XR or the iPhone 11. It works for both of these products. But the main reason why this product is definitely one of my favorite products that I've purchased is because of the design and the durability. So the design part has a pretty nice leather at the bottom, and then the clear casing on the back really just accentuates your iPhone's design, which is what I wanted, just to show it off a little bit. And to install it, all you have to do is just pop it in. You can do it with one hand, and you're done. So easy install, simple but sleek design. And then the durability part, so this is about 3 feet from the ground. Just gonna drop it and see what happens. As you see, I mean, if this isn't production, I don't know what is. So whether you're looking for a case for design or durability, you can't go wrong with either. Definitely let me know if this video was helpful.